If you've ever said that you want to make money online, but you don't have time, you don't know where to start, and you don't want to spend a dime, then this video might just change your life. Very few people are aware that Amazon has dozens of business opportunities that are ripe for the taking. My twin brother and I have made millions of dollars on Amazon after trying dozens of other online business models. From all of this, we have realized that Amazon FBA private label easily has the highest earning potential, but also has one of the highest barriers to entry. You have to invest into your inventory, you have to invest into your branding and your listing, and you have to even invest into advertising to get your product off the ground. So instead, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you the Amazon business model that's going to allow you to take advantage of Amazon without having to dive into the deep end of Amazon FBA and that world without any experience. Now, we have recently started a new Amazon business model called the Amazon Influencer Program, and it's already making us hundreds of dollars per month. And no, even though it's called the Amazon Influencer Program, you don't need a following, you don't need a ring light for that matter, and you don't even need to show your face if you don't want to. So with all that out of the way, here's the world's shortest guide to getting started on the Amazon Influencer Program. Step number 1, get approved. First, you need to go to the Amazon Influencer Program application page and sign up for an account. Now, all you'll need is an active TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube account with some content on it. Now, this isn't about followers, it's about activity. If you have 10 recent posts and a bio, then you're probably good. Step number 2, start filming videos. Now, once you're approved, literally just pick an item, create a short 30 to 60 second review video, upload it, and boom, it's live on the product page. But what if I don't own the product? You don't need to, and that's the secret here. You can literally start with anything that is around your house. You can even go to your friend's house or your parents' house. As long as that product is on Amazon, you're good to go. When you're first getting started out, this is a volume game, not a perfection game. This process should take no longer than 30 minutes per day. Step number 3, rinse and upload. Your goal is to upload 30 videos per week. That's anywhere between 4 to 5 per day. Now, that might seem like a lot, but the reality is this should only take you anywhere between 30 to 45 minutes. And once you get really good, this can be done in as little as 15 to 20 minutes per day. Yes, guys, it is quite literally that simple, and do not, trust me, make the mistake that we did and overthink this process. And that's exactly what we did at the start, and it made what is supposed to be an easy side hustle a stressful side hustle. We would spend hours trying to make one video perfect. We'd retake the same shot 10 times like we were filming a Netflix special. And we also thought that we needed to buy brand new products in order to get started. But spoiler alert, 90% of our videos are actually of the products that we already had in our household. We're talking kitchen gadgets, tripods, and even my golf clubs. And what helped a lot was actually looking at the videos that were performing. So at the end of the day, we were stuck trying to make these high converting videos, but the reality was the ugly, boring ones were the ones that performed the best. And when we realized that, that's when we started to double down. Step number 4, get paid. So when someone watches your video on that product page and makes a purchase on that listing, you get a commission and you get paid. We're talking 50 cents to $5 per video per day, depending on what product you're reviewing and how much it actually sells. Let's do the math here. 30 videos times $2 per day equals $60 per day. $60 per day times 30 days equals $1,800 per month. Now, the harsh reality is not every video is going to be like this. Some videos might even be a complete goose egg. What's important when you first get started is volume, because eventually you'll have 30 videos making you $2 per day. Now, this is how thousands of beginners are making their first dollar online fast. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that this is passive or easy, but it is very simple. And transparently, if I had to start all over again today, no cash, no product, no audience, this is exactly where I would start. The Amazon Influencer Program gives you an opportunity to make a passive income without you having to spend thousands on an Amazon FBA private label business. And given my experience with Amazon FBA, I still think it is hands down one of the best opportunities out there. What I would do is I would take that income and I would save it to invest into your own brand in the future. It's really cool to see the videos that we filmed months ago are still earning us money today. And once your video goes live, especially on a high traffic listing, it can quite literally make you money 24/7 while you sleep. Now, if this sounds doable for you and you want help getting started, then we have a free for a limited time community and training. This training is going to show you a full step-by-step system that we use to scale this to hundreds of dollars per month. And some even scale this business model to thousands of dollars per month with volume and optimization. I left the link in the description as well as the pinned comment so that you guys can check it out and take notes. Selfishly, guys, I want this process to be as seamless as possible for you because Amazon is not slowing down and neither are we.